So who am I speaking with?
Keith Sutton from Adobe.
And what is Adobe doing now for Flash in the enterprise?
Well, over the last few years, Adobe's been marketing a product called Flex. Flex builds applications on top of the Flash platform, the Flash player. Traditional looking applications, but they also run in the browser. And they run on desktop using the Air Adobe Integrated Runtime. Flex is it's cross-platform, and so what's interesting now for enterprises is that they can build and code an application that will run in a browser, on any browser from IE6 on beyond. It will also run across mobile devices.
What do you think are like the maybe two biggest issues that people are having when they're building Flash apps for the enterprise that you're seeing?
Well, in terms of current issues, I would say it's more future issues. Enterprises are now being faced with, what do I do with mobile and what do I do with cloud? And so they're looking ahead now and they're experimenting. They've been experimenting for a little while, and they're more getting into this, I think, in the coming years, as things like Salesforce expands its platform to force.com, where you can build any kind of application on the cloud. VMware and their offerings, that's forcing enterprises to sort of look forward 2 or 3 years in terms of what they're going to do with their application platforms.
Do you have any comment to Steve Jobs' complaint that Flash breaks things?
Well, you know, it's a game of positioning right now, and so Steve Jobs is doing a damn good one. But he knows his time is limited because you can see as Verizon and Motorola step in, Android is being deployed more and bought. Android platforms are being bought more than iPhone. So it's a game of time, and Steve tried to buy as much time as he could, and clearly there's a lot of tactics and positioning at this time. As I said, it's a new game, so everybody's trying to get in position, and Steve is no different than anyone, and he's just been quicker at it than others.
Oh no, that's true, and he was good, and he's got a good brand. But what I was intrigued with, well, first of all, Flash has just been made available for the Android phones, because I just noticed it's on mine, and it works pretty nice. I noticed videos on my site were coming up fine.
Oh, it performs very well. No problems at all. There are differences between different phone platforms. Every operating system and every hardware devices have its differences. So you will see performance differences in different things from the iPhone over to Motorola and anything else. But Flash is performing well, and Air, the runtime on that where you deploy applications, runs very well as well. So it's early days, but it's in a good position and it's moving ahead technically.